kind and very, very nice of you. Thank you, guys. Thank you for wishing. But let's get to electricity futures. And joining us now to talk about that is Ruchi and Ruchi Shukla. She's head of energy at MCX, and she joins us on the show now. Ruchi, hi. Congratulations are in place, because a lot of people that I have been talking to tells me that Ruchi's worked hard, and it is all because of Ruchi that we have electricity futures right now. Congratulations on that. It's the second day of trade now, and I've been talking to a lot of broking houses as well, which tell us that they're watching right now on how the price moves, etc. It's of course a great plus for the Indian economy. We are the third largest consumers of electricity. What has been your feedback in the last couple of sessions now?
Yeah, thank you, Manisha, and wish you a very happy birthday.
Thank you.
So electricity futures, with this launch, we are providing really a transformative movement in the power sector, because it's providing the market participants with a very robust and efficient risk management tool. And as we are seeing yesterday, the first day, we had a good traction, a widespread traction, and we are seeing the interest from the market, specifically the value chain participants, which includes the generators as well as healthy participation from the end consumers also. So, seeing the first day, it's been a good startup for this contract, which has awaited a large number of years till date.
Absolutely. Ruchi, also, you're not the only one doing it. You have a competition standing right besides. How are you working that on?
Yeah, this, truly speaking, Manisha, power sector is a very wide market. It's like a huge market, and there's a lot of space and lot of new reforms or a build-up that can happen. So I guess with the competition also in place, this markets will grow and deepen further, bringing in higher and higher liquidity and more efficiency.
You said for yesterday was 4,600 contracts. Is it the same enthusiasm? Do you see it today too?
Yeah, the enthusiasm is good today too, and since morning we are seeing around 500 plus lots have already traded since morning. So that's a good one. Good.
We do understand, Ruchi, that a lot of learning for this has come in really from Japan and perhaps South Korea for that matter. How is the Indian contract devised? It is on, of course, the underlying is IEX. How are you working that on?
So while these contracts were designed, a lot of interaction went through with the value chain shareholders as well as the global participants. And the design, which is formally got approval from SEBI and CRC, has been on the global parlances, because we have seen the countries like Europe where these contracts have really done well. The power futures as the leading market in Europe and Japan. So our contracts are also designed accordingly, but we have understood the nitty-gritties of Indian markets also, because these are the contracts which are impacted by more so on the domestic prices. So the international prices impact is very less visible in these contracts. So the design is peculiar for the Indian markets as well, to suit the Indian participants. Basically, if you see, we have kept a lot size as a small lot size of 50 megawatt hours, keeping into specific the picture of SME and MSME companies. They also have a lot of exposure to the power sector, the power prices, so they can manage their risk better, and which will provide them more on financial planning and resilience also.
Ruchi, we do understand that from power generation companies to power distribution companies to proprietary HNIs, and as you said, SMEs, MSMEs would also want to be part of it, and then perhaps retail would enter in, because it's not such an easy subject. I mean, it's not like gold, silver, or copper, or a platinum. It's electricity futures is slightly has a longer learning curve, would you say?
Yes, you have rightfully pointed out, electricity futures is going to have a little longer term, and it's visible from global markets also. They have also taken around a larger gestation period to develop into further nuances and the further variants for this product. So similarly, the curve in Indian markets will also evolve, though we see it will evolve at a faster rate, because the growth rate which India is growing at, and we are moving towards the vision of Viksit Bharat. So with that, the evolvement will be at a much larger pace from the global markets, and it will be a mix of participants going ahead. We will see value chain to start off with, but yes, financial institutions and retail users, once they understand how the price impacts are visible on the volatility and the price impacts are visible in these prices, it's going to be a good market. That's what we foresee from here.
Sure. Ruchi, we do understand that it's available for the contracts, that is available for all 12 months going forward, but it is the front 3 months which are active right now. Is it just the front month, or have you seen activity happen in the further months as well?
So going ahead, we have launched actually 3 contracts right now, because the 4th one will become active from 1st August. So we have seen traction yesterday in all the 3 contracts, which again shows a good healthy sign on the first day if you see traction from in per month contracts also.
Okay, that's an interesting conversation there. Thank you so much, Ruchi Shukla, for joining with us on the show as well. And obviously, interesting launch coming in there as well. So, interesting conversation. Thank you so much for that, Manisha, as well.
Manisha, no gold, no silver, but lunch, is that a possibility?
After you come out of this show?
After the
This is easy. First, go to the text tab and search for captions. Next, wait for your captions to be generated. Edit, style, add effect or animate them. Finally, export your video with your permanent captions before showing it to your audience. Happy designing!